Today, we are going to implement an optimization problem using AI. We will use a wonderful AI assistant called Claude and MATLAB. First, let's search Claude on Google. Then, you can find it like this. Let's click Claude, and after sign in, you can see this window. Let's enter this one. Please make MATLAB code for optimal power flow in IE9 bus system, using genetic algorithm without mat power in only one M file. Please visualize the optimization process and the results. After 2 minutes, I got this. Left side AI answer and right side MATLAB code. And click Copy button. Then the MATLAB code is copied. Now you can paste your code in MATLAB editor and save it and run it. You can see the numerical results, the optimization process of genetic algorithm, active and reactive power dispatch, power flow results in the network, voltage magnitude and angle. Give it a try right now, and happy coding!